On its 87th anniversary, the Indian Air Force showcased 3 Mirage 2000 fighter jets belonging to the 9th Squadron which participated in the Balakot operation, along with 2 Su-30 fighter jets belonging to the 15th Squadron with call signs Avenger 1 and Avenger 2, which are the same 2 Su-30 fighter jets which were performing combat air patrols on 27th of February 2019. Pakistan had claimed that it had brought down an Indian Su-30 Avenger 1, and Pakistan went ahead and awarded its F-16 squadron with the 4th highest military award. By showing the same 2 Su-30 fighter jets with call sign Avenger 1 and Avenger 2, the Indian Air Force has again strongly rebutted Pakistan's false claim of downing a Su-30. According to latest media reports, Russia has linked the offer to manufacture 114 Su-35 fighter jets under the MMRCA tender with the Super Sukhoi project. For modernizing the country's existing fleet of 272 Su-30 fighter jets. The winner of the MMRCA tender has to offer assistance in India's AMCA program, and Russia's United Aircraft Corporation has also offered to provide a number of Su-35 technologies as part of the contract, which could also be used to upgrade India's fleet of Su-30 fighter jets, which will create a greater interoperability between the two fighter jets due to considerable similarity of systems, leading to easier maintenance and reduction in net operational costs. The Russian Su-35 is the only fighter jet among the 7 contestants in the MMRCA tender, whose airframe is specialized for air-to-air combat, and is also the only fighter jet in the contest that has deployed hypersonic air-to-air systems. According to latest reports, the Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited joint venture is set to get an order to manufacture 6.7 lakh AK-203 rifles very soon, as the Indian Army has cleared the technical gates, and the commercial bid is likely to be submitted by next month. The order is likely to get the approval at the upcoming Defense Acquisition meeting later this month, and will move to the next stage of signing of the contract to start manufacturing. Russia will transfer complete technology on the modern rifle to India, and the order will increase later to 7.5 lakh rifles. The Indian Air Force intends to acquire 1 squadron of fighter jets in flyaway condition from the winner of MMRCA tender, and the objective behind the procurement of 18 fighter jets is to start induction of a modern fighter jet in a shorter time frame before 2025, due to fast depleting fighter squadron strength of the Indian Air Force, and the direct acquisition also makes the deal more attractive for the foreign manufacturer. The DRDO and the Indian Air Force are in discussions to clear the path for bulk orders for 200 indigenously developed Astra air-to-air systems for the entire fleet of Su-30 fighter jets, and Hindustan Aeronautics and the Aeronautical Developmental Agency are waiting for clearance by the Indian Air Force to integrate the Astra system with the Tejas fighter jet. An official of Bharat Electronics has predicted that the Indian Air Force will shortly place orders for nearly 1,000 units for MiG-29 Mirage 2000 and Tejas fighter jets.